some important natural carbonyl compounds. See, carbonyl compounds में specific fragrance और कुछ medicinal properties होते हैं. For example, if you talk about the group CHO, OH, and OCH3, that is called compound is called valine. Vanillin is obtained from the vanilla seeds, and you know the use of the vanilla in the as a flavoring agent, right? So that's vanillin. Similarly, aldehyde group CHO and adjacent position OH group. This compound is called as salicylaldehyde, right? Salicylaldehyde is obtained from the meadow sweet, and that's also having the use as the flavoring agent. And similarly, we are having the compound called cinnamaldehyde, CH double bond CH bond CHO. This is called as salicylaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde. Indian spice, that is uh, cinnamon, right? Very frequently used in Indian food. So cinnamaldehyde is obtained from the cinnamon. It also has a specific fragrance and the medicinal properties, right? So that's how these are some of the important natural aldehydes which are used as a flavoring agents. For us, it is a direct question for the exam. तो इनकी structure, common name और source हमें याद रखना है as an exam point of view.